we're at Popeyes. Let's go get the famous chicken sandwich. Alright, we got our Popeyes chicken sandwich. Let's go eat. Okay, we got our Popeyes chicken sandwich. Let's go home, try it out. Hopefully it's good. Everybody says it's good, so well, this is our first time trying it out. So let's go. Alright, we made it back home. So we got 5 chicken sandwiches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chicken sandwiches. This is my first time trying these sandwiches out. We'll see how it tastes like. Pretty big patties. It looks good. This one has 2 pickles. Got the sauce in there. We got the spicy chicken sandwiches. The patties are huge. The bread is nice and soft. Alright, let's try it out, see how it tastes like. Wow. Tastes pretty good. It's crispy on the skin, but very soft and juicy in the middle. And the meat is very tender. This tastes pretty good. The sauce tastes pretty good. Mix it with the pickle. Tastes really good. Probably one of the best chicken sandwiches I ever ate. It's spicy, but not too spicy. Overall, I like this chicken sandwich. The patty is really big, so that's a plus. It's not thin. It's thick, but it's nice, crispy, and very juicy. It's not dry. I think the bun makes it taste good also. So now I see why people are in line just to get this sandwich. This sandwich is good. Yeah, I'll probably get this again. Wow, this is awesome. One of the best chicken sandwiches. Wow. So we got there around 10 or a little bit after 10 when they opened. It was a small line. It wasn't a lot of people. So we got our sandwiches pretty quick. We got 5 because I want to try it out. If it's good, I'll take it to work. And yeah, this is really good. Yeah, I'll get this again. This is a nice sandwich. It's awesome. It's only $3.99, so it's not expensive. Yeah, one of the best chicken sandwiches I ever ate. Better than McDonald's, better than Chick-fil-A. Yeah, Popeyes knocked it out of the park. This is awesome. Alright. If you haven't tried it out, go try it out. This is one of the best chicken sandwiches I've ever ate. Popeyes really knocked it out. Alright, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Tell me what you think about the sandwich if you had it. I like it. I'll get it again. Yeah. Wow, this is awesome. Awesome sandwich. Yeah, I'm definitely going to bring this to work. This is awesome. I'm sure the kids will love it. I'm sure my wife will love it. If I like it, I'm sure the kids will like it too.